In this video, we will demonstrate how to operate Dixon's hose assembly tool. The lightweight and portable hose assembly tool is used to install 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, and 3/8 inch fittings. Apply lubricant to both the hose and fitting. Position the fitting just inside the hose. Place the hose within the clamp side of the tool. Line up the fitting's opening with the tool's insertion point. Squeeze the tool's handles, drawing the insertion point towards the clamp arm. Continue doing so until the fitting is snug within the hose. Dixon offers hose fittings and insertion tools for a variety of applications. Visit our website for more information. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please contact us at dixonvalve.com. Be sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.